Speaking of humor, did you know GPT-4o can handle jokes in multiple languages?
Kuhusu ucheshi, unajua kwamba GPT-4o inaweza kushughulikia mizaha katika lugha nyingi.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited because we are diving into the latest updates from OpenAI keynote that happened yesterday about the GPT-4o, which is the new version that is packed with some incredible features that are going to blow your mind. So I'm gonna play the video. It's like 26 minutes, but I'm gonna shorten it to like 8 minutes and kind of show you the highlights that I think are so important. And then at the end, I'll show you what some of the cool things that I've been able to do with the GPT-4o, and which is available for free for everyone.
GPT-4o provides GPT-4 level intelligence, but it is much faster, and it improves on its capabilities across text, vision, and audio. For the past couple of years, we've been very focused on improving the intelligence of these models, and they've gotten pretty good. But this is the first time that we are really making a huge step forward when it comes to the ease of use.
So I'll show you what they mean about the 4.0. So if you go here at the top, here's the GPT-4.0. Here at the top, you have the 3.5, which was the free one that everyone had access to. Then the GPT-4 was the paid version. So you'll still have access to, you'll have access to the 3.5 and I think the 4.0. So this is the new one that they just released. So just when you log in, just go click 4.0. So that's what they're talking about, which gives you now access to this. If you notice, with the 3.5, you didn't have access to the GPTs over here, but now with the 4.0, you'll have access to the GPTs. And again, I'll dive deeper in future videos explaining the different GPTs and how you can create your own GPT to simplify repetitive tasks that you do at your job, and just have that competitive edge, because this technology is coming and it's coming fast. And not to scare you, I think the more you are interested in learning these GPTs, it's gonna make you more valuable at your workplace. It's gonna make you more valuable at your businesses and more efficient. Not necessarily coming to replace or an employee or anything like that, but to increase the productivity. So if you had 6 employees, you can have a 7th employee who you're not paying them anything. And these are the GPTs that are very skillful. If you give them the enough data and what you want them to do for you, it can increase the productivity of your workers and what they do on a daily basis. So
across voice, text, and vision. And with these incredible efficiencies, it also allows us to bring the GPT-4 class intelligence to our free users. This is something that we've been trying to do for many, many months, and we're very, very excited to finally bring GPT-4o to all of our users. Today, we have 100 million people, more than 100 million in fact. They use ChatGPT to create, work, learn, and we have these advanced tools that are only available to our paid users, at least until now. With the efficiencies of 4o, we can bring these tools to everyone. So starting today, you can use GPTs in the GPT store.
So the GPTs, as I was sharing at this, these are the GPTs over here, GPTs. And there's GPTs for writing, there's GPTs for productivity, for research and analysis, for education, lifestyle, for creating images, and for those who are coders for programming and stuff. But you can also create, again, as I was sharing, you can also customize and create your own GPT by giving it just data and description and giving it instructions of what you need it to do for you. And then you can either keep it private or public for others to use. So this is the power of just the access that everyone has. And this is where the money is, being able to customize GPTs and either sell them to the public or for companies and stuff like that.
So far, we've had more than 1 million users create amazing experiences with GPTs. These are custom chat GPTs for specific use cases. They're available in the store. And now our builders have a much bigger audience where, university professors can create content for their students, or podcasters can create content for their listeners. And you can also use vision. So now you can upload screenshots, photos, documents containing both text and images, and you can start conversations with ChatGPT about all of this content.
That's pretty cool. I'm super excited about this. And in future videos, I'll show you how to create these custom GPTs. And if you need one for your business, you can hit me up and we can
See, there's this little icon on the bottom right of the ChatGPT app, and this will open up GPT-4o's audio capabilities. Hey, ChatGPT, I'm Mark. How are you?
Oh, Mark. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Hey, so I'm on stage right now. I'm doing a live demo, and frankly, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. Can you help me calm my nerves a little bit?
Oh, you're doing a live demo right now? That's awesome. Just take a deep breath. And remember, you're the expert.
I like that suggestion. Let me try a couple of deep breaths. Can you give me feedback on my breath? Okay, here I go.
Whoa, slow a bit there. Mark, you're not a vacuum cleaner. Breathe in for a count of 4.
Okay, let me try again. So I'm gonna breathe in deeply.
And then for 4, and then exhale slowly.
Okay, I'll try again. Breathing in and breathe out.
That's it. How do you feel?
I feel a lot better. Thank you.
start the conversation. Hello, ChatGPT.
Hey there, how's it going?
Good. So I'm in Kenya right now and I do not understand Swahili, and I am with a gentleman over here, and so I want every time I speak in English, translate it to him in Swahili, and every time they speak in Swahili, translate it to me in English. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Let's get started.
Speaking of humor, did you know GPT-4o can handle jokes in multiple languages?
Kuhusu ucheshi, unajua kwamba GPT-4o inaweza kushughulikia mizaha katika lugha nyingi?
Ndiyo, sasa tunaweza kucheka pamoja bila kujali lugha.
Yes, now we can laugh together, regardless of the language.
It's like having a universal translator with a sense of humor.
Ni kama kuwa na mtafsiri wa ulimwengu mwenye ucheshi.
Na inafanya mawasiliano yawe rahisi zaidi.
And it makes communication much easier.
Cheers to more hilarious and insightful conversation with ChatGPT 4.0.
Kuniwa kwa mazungumzo zaidi ya kuchekesha na ya ufahamu na ChatGPT 4.0.
I know. Isn't that amazing? So you can literally have a conversation with someone when you're, touring or going to a different country. You can have a conversation. This is the power of GPT-4o.
I'll show you. And then I love your help working me through it. But importantly, don't tell me the solution, just help give me hints along the way.
So is this for math tutor?
Hello there.
It's gonna
How's it
use
going?
vision.
It's going really well. Today I'd really like your help solving a math problem.
I'm all ears. What math problem can I help you tackle today?
So I'm gonna write down a linear equation on a sheet of paper and I'll show you. And then I'd love your help working me through it. But importantly, don't tell me the solution, just help give me hints along the way.
Got it. Oh. Okay, I see it.
No, I didn't show you yet. Just give me help along the way. 1 second.
Whoops, I got too excited. I'm ready when you are.
So, ChatGPT, what equation did I write down there?
Ah, I see it now. You wrote down 3x plus 1 equals 4.
Yep,
Let's
exactly. So what's the first step I should take to try to solve this?
The first step is to get all the terms with x on one side and the constants on the other side. So what do you think we should do with that plus 1?
Okay, I'm gonna try to subtract 1 from both sides and then I'll see what I get.
Very good.
Great idea. Perfect. Now what do you get when you subtract 1 from both sides?
Okay, so ChatGPT, this is what I ended up with. How does this look?
Spot on. Now you've isolated the term with x on one side and it looks like 3x equal 3. What do you think we should do next to solve for x?
I'm not sure, can you give me another hint?
Of course. You have 3x and you want to find the value of x. Think about what operation would undo multiplication.
Is it subtraction?
Close, but think of the opposite of multiplication, because 3x means 3 times x.
Okay, I think it's division. Let me try to divide both sides by 3 and let me see what I get.
Bingo! Go ahead and divide both sides by 3.
Okay, so ChatGPT, this is what I ended up with. How does this look?
It looks perfect. You've solved it, and x equals 1. Nicely done. How do you feel about solving linear equations now?
Yeah, honestly, I'm not pretty confident I can solve linear equations, but why would you ever need to use this in the real world? I'm really skeptical.
That's a fair question. Linear equations pop up in a lot of everyday situations, even if we don't realize it. For example, calculating expenses, planning travel, cooking, and even in business for profit and loss calculations. It's basically a way to solve problems, but you need to find an unknown value. Plus,
Wow,
it's...
okay. I have a lot of unknown values in my life. I'm totally convinced I'm gonna learn math now.
All right, that's about it. I'll be making more videos regarding this and how to customize GPTs, and I'll be also launching a masterclass soon. So look out for that. But man, this is amazing. It's scary good, but it's good. We just need to embrace it because this is the world that we're in. These are the times that we are in, and it's important to just adapt and utilize these tools to be more productive, but also make more money. Okay, so see you till next time. If you enjoyed this and you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time that I drop a video. So God bless, have an amazing rest of the week, and yeah, take care.